Oh, I'm so excited, Mindy.
Me too, Jane. I love camping.
How much longer? I'm so tired.
Ah!
We're almost there, Jax.
Uh-oh.
Whoa!
It's beautiful.
It is. Let's camp here.
There's so much to do. Mindy, Jax, let's put our tents up.
All right.
Ugh. I can't reach.
I have an idea. Let's form a sleeping line.
Huh?
Ah! See? A sleeping line! Whoa! Whoa!
Jax.
Yeah, I'm up.
It's a neat standing line now.
This doesn't look like a tent.
Oh, wait! The cloth should make a nice slanting line.
Wow, our tent looks perfect.
And it has perfect straight lines, standing lines, slanting lines, and sleeping lines.
Oh, I can spot a standing line here. Look.
You're right. And I can spot slanting lines in the hills.
That's cool, but look at this. I see a sleeping line right here. Wha- Whoa, 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 woo! Hey, I was just showing you two another sleeping line. Me.